All right, we're in the shop here this morning with none other than Doc Lyman. Tell us about this engine, Doc.
Well, this is out of my 1941 16-foot inboard, Lyman, of course. And we're just going to see if it takes off this morning, see if it fires, and then do a compression test. And we're going to make a determination whether we have to tear the whole thing down, or whether the compression is good enough to just redo the carb and check everything over. And
Yeah, it hasn't ran in forever, right?
In probably 30 years.
Okay. Well, we're going to see if we can't make this thing pop off this morning, so stay tuned. This guy, this is ignition. Okay. And that's your starter. So we're going to touch that when I'm ready.
Right here?
Go ahead.
It's gonna go.
Yeah.
Spend more money.
Must be all that oil you got in the cylinder.
Huh?
Go ahead. Oh yeah, I'm sure the plugs in.
As the world's largest collection of carriers.
I guess I did.
That was literally the first start.
Was that oil all? That's oil burning up.
Oh yeah, probably from the.
Obviously, he doesn't like that. Okay.
We'll take out the plugs and clean them.
He's so obsessed with Care Bears now.
It was almost okay.
All right, so we got it running. Obviously, didn't run exactly perfect, but it did start. All we really did before was just follow the points. No gas to it. So we took it out. We checked compression. Cylinders, technically 3 and 4, had 0 compression. So the intake valves were stuck open. So we took a hammer and a small punch, and we kept working the valve down so they worked. This front one here is still a little sticky, but number 3 is good. So we're going to go ahead and refire to see what we got. So go ahead, Doc. Touch the black wire.
Hey.
Yep.
I don't know.
Are you saying you actually get paid cash when you buy gas with the Upside app? Yes, I get real cash back every time I buy gas.
Yeah, there you go. Go ahead.
That's right.
Yep.
I've made around $200.
Oh yeah. you couldn't hurt him.
No. Hit the starter again. Just touch the key, just take it right off.
That's unreal. What's with the smoking on the edge?
Well, just the oil.
Okay.
Right, kill it. Undo the, here, do another restart.
Gas, floating, stomach pain, or loose organ stools. It may not be just stomach issues.
That's crazy.
That's nothing. Okay, so I can kill it.
But UPI can
There you go.
Let's
symptom checker.
do a compression on these. Just
All right.
just to